Did you know that 3D metal model kits aren't just fun? They're a surprisingly satisfying way to unwind, challenge your mind, and build something truly display-worthy? Whether you're into iconic vehicles, legendary ships, or architectural masterpieces, these kits offer a creative escape that feels both nostalgic and high-tech. Plus, there's something incredibly cool about holding a fully constructed model that you built entirely from metal sheets. If you've been looking for a new hobby or the perfect gift for the detail-obsessed tinkerer in your life, you're in the right place. We've rounded up 10 of the best 3D metal model kits for adults, and you'll find all the links in the description below in case one of them catches your eye. Let's dive into some seriously awesome builds. Kicking things off, we've got the USS Midway aircraft carrier by Metal Earth. This isn't just a model, it's a floating legend in miniature. With a detailed layout that includes catapults, aircraft elevators, and plenty of intricate parts, it brings the massive complexity of the real USS Midway into your hands. It's a fairly advanced kit, so it's perfect for someone who enjoys a challenge and has a steady hand. One of my friends spent a weekend on this and said it was one of the most rewarding models he's ever built, mostly because every time you look at it, you spot something new. It's a fantastic option for anyone into military history or who just wants to tackle something ambitious. Now, if naval battles aren't quite your speed, how about some high seas piracy? The Black Pearl pirate ship by Piececool is one of the most visually stunning kits on this list. Inspired by the Queen Anne's Revenge, this build brings out some serious Gothic vibes, with ornate railings, billowing sails, and plenty of character. It's a bit more decorative than functional, but that's part of the charm. Builders who've completed it mention that it's more forgiving than it looks. Just take your time and keep a pair of needle-nose pliers handy. It's an eye-catching piece and ideal for fantasy lovers or anyone who still secretly wants to be a pirate. Speaking of pliers, if you're wondering what tools you need for these kits, here's the quick rundown. A pair of fine-tip pliers and some tweezers will go a long way. Add a decent light and maybe a magnifier if you're really getting into the details. That's pretty much your toolkit for success. Some folks also use small files or cutters, but honestly, a basic setup gets the job done in most cases. And if you don't already have those tools lying around, no worries. I've dropped a link in the description to a handy little starter kit that includes everything you'll need to get going. Super convenient if you're just diving into this hobby. Staying in the skies, we have the UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter by Metal Earth. This one really nails the sleek utilitarian design of the real Black Hawk. With its rotors, landing gear, and structural detail, it feels like assembling a little piece of aviation history. I actually put this one together myself, and while some of the smaller parts did test my patience, it was absolutely worth it. Once it was finished and sitting on my shelf, I couldn't stop looking at it. It's a great pick for anyone into military aircraft or who just loves the mechanical complexity of helicopters. If your heart belongs in a galaxy far, far away, then you're going to love the Star Wars Millennium Falcon from Metal Earth. This is a fan favorite for a reason. The level of detail is incredible. From the iconic circular cockpit to the satellite dish and engine panels, it's instantly recognizable. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy sitting on their desk? Many fans say it's a bit of a beast to assemble, but also super satisfying. Definitely recommended for Star Wars lovers and sci-fi collectors. Also, for anyone new to this hobby wondering, do I need experience to build these? Absolutely not. That's the beauty of these kits. Some of them are definitely more advanced, but others, like the X-Wing or the ladder truck, are totally beginner-friendly. Just pick one that matches your interest and patience level, and you'll be amazed at what you can build with a little focus and a steady hand. Switching gears to something a little different, the ladder truck by Piececool is one of the most underrated models here. It's a fire engine style build, and it's surprisingly complex, with a lot of moving parts and a full ladder extension mechanism. It's got over 350 pieces, so this one's not for the faint of heart, but if you enjoy a technical challenge, this is for you. One builder said the hardest part wasn't assembly. It was trying to resist showing it off to every single visitor. Great for modelers who like functional vehicles with some wow factor. While we're in Star Wars mode, let's talk about the X-Wing fighter by Metal Earth. This kit perfectly captures the sleek design and symmetry of the Rebel Alliance's go-to starfighter. The wings open in attack formation, and the detailing on the engines and cockpit is spot on. It's slightly easier than the Millennium Falcon, which makes it a nice entry point if you're new to Metal Earth or just want a quicker build. One reviewer mentioned they used this as their first model and it got them totally hooked on metal puzzles. It's ideal for both beginners and seasoned builders who love the Star Wars universe. The A-10 Warthog airplane by Metal Earth is next, and wow, this one is just as rugged and bold as its real-life counterpart. The Warthog is famous for its durability and firepower, and that aesthetic really comes through in this kit. Twin engines, detailed wings, and a prominent nose cannon make this a powerful model to add to your collection. If you like planes with a bit of grit and attitude, this is the one for you. It's especially loved by those who've served or have a strong interest in modern military aircraft. Now let's slow things down with something grand and architectural, the Notre Dame de Paris Church by Piececool. This model is a true statement piece, packed with intricate spires, rose windows, and detailed Gothic elements. It's one of the most challenging builds on the list, mostly because of the sheer amount of tiny, ornate parts. But once completed, it's breathtaking. One builder said they kept it in their living room and it always sparks conversation. Plus, it's a great excuse to talk about your trip to France, even if you've only been in model form. Perfect for architecture buffs and patient builders who want something majestic. And for those wondering how long these kits take to build, it really depends. Smaller ones can be done in a few hours, while complex builds like Notre Dame or the USS Midway might stretch across a weekend or more. But that's part of the charm. You can take your time, go at your own pace, and enjoy the process. For something industrial and vintage, the Mogul Steamer by Piececool delivers a delightful combination of gears, pipes, and old-school engineering charm. It's got that steampunk aesthetic without going full cosplay, and it's one of those models that looks even better up close. It takes some careful alignment and time, but the end result is super rewarding. A user review mentioned that the wheels actually turn, which added an unexpected touch of fun. Great for anyone who appreciates classic machinery or just wants something a little out of the ordinary. Finally, we have the Titan Black Knight by Piececool. Now this one's for the science fiction and mecha fans. It's bold, metallic, and definitely not your average model kit. The Black Knight is a humanoid mech figure with armor, weaponry, and dynamic posing options. It's not overly large, but it packs in a lot of detail and personality. Someone online said it gave them Transformers meets medieval knight vibes, and honestly, that's pretty spot on. It's a fun and futuristic build that would look amazing on any shelf or desk. And when you're done building, trust me, you're gonna want to show it off. A lot of folks place their finished models on a shelf or desk as a centerpiece. Just make sure it's somewhere safe because while they look awesome, these builds are definitely more for admiration than playtime. They're display pieces, not action figures. So there you have it, 10 of the best 3D metal model kits that offer a wide range of styles, difficulty levels, and themes. If you love military history and technical detail, the USS Midway, Black Hawk helicopter, and A-10 Warthog are fantastic picks. Star Wars fans have both the Millennium Falcon and X-Wing fighter to geek out over. If fantasy and classic ships are your thing, the Black Pearl will be right up your alley. For something more down-to-earth and intricate, the Ladder Truck and Mogul Steamer offer hours of rewarding work. And if you're up for a real architectural or sci-fi challenge, Notre Dame and the Titan Black Knight will not disappoint. When choosing your kit, think about what theme excites you most: military, sci-fi, historical, or mechanical. Also consider how much time and patience you want to dedicate. Some kits are great for quick wins, while others will test your focus and give you a serious sense of accomplishment. Either way, these aren't just toys. They're mini masterpieces in the making. All the product links are in the description below if you want to check them out or grab the one that fits your vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves building cool stuff. Whether you're crafting a legendary starfighter or recreating a historical landmark, happy building, and I'll see you in the next one.